Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze Hasbro. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Hasbro has a market cap of $8 billion, the current stock price is $59.5 and they operate in the leisure products industry. They have great quality brands like Monopoly, Nerf and My Little Pony. If we take a look at the graph in front of us, we can see that Hasbro did great until upon a year ago, then it had dipped down a lot in price. So if you invested $10,000 10 years ago, you would have about $20,000 right now. Now some financial data. The annual sales growth has been 5%, that's a check mark. The earnings per share though is down 4.9%, not good, that's an X. The analyst expects some strong earnings ahead though, 8.3%. The return on capital isn't great, 8.5%, that's an X. And the debt compared to the free cash flow is 17 years, so that's definitely an X. Now some yield data. A high dividend yield at 4.7%. And last year they didn't buy back any shares, so that's an X. And they are paying out about 64% of their annual earnings, which is a bit high but still within the threshold. And the dividend growth rate is 4.6%, the threshold is 5%, so just missing out on this one. And they have only been growing their dividend for one consecutive year, so that's also an X. That makes up of a combined dividend score at 4 out of 10 points. Let's check the valuation. Here we have Hasbro in fast graphs. The orange line is their earnings per share, and to begin with we can see that they actually fared very well during the last financial crisis 2008-2009. They didn't drop any earnings at all, but 2018 there was actually an EPS drop of 30%. And after that it's been a bit of a bumpy ride. But during this period we can actually see to the right that the earnings growth rate is 9.25%, which is greater than the index. If we also compare the normal PE, which is the blue line at 17.7, compared to the current stock price, we can see that right now might actually be a good time to pick up some Hasbro stock if you are interested in the company long term. If we project out to late 2024, analyst expects an annual rate of return of almost 40%. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest videos where I reviewed a subscriber's portfolio. See you soon!